Okay, hey everybody, welcome to my channel. For today's video, this is gonna be really fast. I'm gonna be showing y'all my everyday my everyday routine, my quick everyday routine that I do without false lashes. I will not be using any false lashes. Some of y'all are gonna really disagree with this, but I'm able to like comfortably put on a full face of makeup without lashes and just mascara and go out and be pretty as fuck. Like, that's just facts. But I've become really comfortable with it. I started doing it like a few months ago, and like now, like if I'm really in a rush or I just don't feel like dealing with lashes that day, I will not do it. But yeah, I'm gonna hurry up because I was supposed to be somewhere at 8, started getting ready at 7:20, and it's probably like 7:40 something right now. I'm horrible, like y'all. I'm so bad with time. Like me and time, we just don't get along. But anyways, first things first, I'm gonna show y'all what I do for my eyes on a quick everyday look. You can really leave your eyes alone if you want to, but me, I don't like doing that because something about me, I don't like having, like, you know, when you get your concealer from your eyebrows and your lash, I don't like having that bright look. To me, it's not me. But I do this on my clients as well. It's like quick and easy. But I take my contour stick with my foundation stick from Black Opal. You can use whatever contour you use, or you can use just like brown eye, any type of brown powder, anything brown. But I like to take my foundation stick and do it. And I'm gonna just take that same concealer brush and do this. So see what I did? It's not like too harsh or anything. It's not like super, you know, whatever. I'm gonna take one of my Morphe palettes. It really don't matter. I'm not even gonna show y'all the palette I'm using because it's so irrelevant. Like I said, any brown. But I'm using a light brown. I'm not using like no dark brown. And I'm just gonna set it. You can do it. You can leave it glossy if you want to. That's really pretty too. But I don't like to do that because eventually your eyes will start creasing when you don't put powder on it. Like, would definitely start creasing, and then it's not gonna be cute no more. But yeah, I'm gonna just do that. Blend it. If you want, you can add eyeliner, whatever you want to do. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna move straight into the face. So for our face, I've already moisturized it as always, so I'm just gonna go in with my primers. For primer, I'm using my Maybelline Master Prime Hydrating Primer, and then I'm gonna use their Blur Primer as well. Y'all, this is so crazy. I'm really rushing. I can't believe I really got myself. I'm not finna rush. They knew I was gonna be late. I'm gonna take my time and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do it fast so y'all know it's like really quick and easy, but that's it. Spray my face with Mario Badescu's facial spray. For foundations, I like to use the NARS Natural Longwear Radiant Foundation. My color is Syracuse, and then I also mix that in with the Dewy Smooth Maybelline Foundation, color 315. The brush I'll be using is my Morphe Y6 brush. I really could have just did eyebrows and mascara, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to be extra. Concealer, I'm going to be using my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in medium 2. I'm only going to apply a little bit. I bring my concealer high up on my nose because I be trying to go for that snatch nose. So yeah. I will also be taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And I'm not putting a lot. I'm gonna just put like a little dot in my inner corner for a little bit more for the coverage, because I'm not putting on a whole lot of concealer like I said. So Too Faced gonna get you there. I promise you, it's gonna get you there. So yeah, while I sit and wait on that to dry, we gonna move on to contour. For contour, I'm using my Black Opal foundation stick. And I feel like in my next video, I'm gonna just stop telling y'all what I'm using because it's real repetitive. Real repetitive. I be using the same stuff every day. Like, I hardly ever change my routine. Like, I change it sometimes, but not like in a major way. I don't care about nothing else on my face. My contour, that contour gotta be, that gotta be nasty. I'm telling you. If that face ain't snatched, baby, I don't want it. I hate how makeup make you see pimples you ain't even knew you had. Like, I be putting on my makeup and I be like, where the hell did all these all these breakouts come from? Cause it was not there at first, I promise you. Moving on to blending out my concealer, I'm going to be using my Real Technique setting brush. Taking my concealer brush and just meshing everything in. I'm gonna take my foundation brush. So like I said I stated this in my previous video, my makeup routine is real summertime, dewy, nice glowy skin, because that's what I like to go for. I have dry skin. That's just what I need, you know. I don't need nothing else. I'm gonna set my face right now with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, just a little bit though, not like real heavy. And this is before I go in with my powder. I did that before powder. For powder, I'm using my Laura Mercier A Translucent Honey Powder. I'll be setting it with the brush from the It's My Ray Rays palette. And make sure you ain't setting no creases, because you don't want no permanent creases. For contour, I'm using the It's My Ray Rays palette, color Mocha. First, I'm gonna do this nose. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my Becca Cosmetics bronzer in the color Bronze Bondi. I'm not looking at the camera talking to y'all. I'm just doing other stuff. I'm so sorry. For blush, I'm using the Milani's Blossom Time Rose powder. Blossom Time Rose blush. Well, it is powder, but you know, that's not what I meant to say. Now this is really a video. Like, hurry up and get ready with me. Rush. We're rushing 15 minutes away. Let's fucking go. I'm gonna take this Milani's highlight palette. Like, that shit crazy. But hold on, let me light my phone real quick. I'm at home. I'm finna leave though. I'm finna leave right now. All right. Bitch, I'm not even dressed yet. Hold up. Okay, I'm gonna set my face one more time with my Morphe setting spray. For lip gloss today, I'm using this Stay Glossy Hot Pink. I'm gonna put on this Ulta Beauty Jelly Gloss, which is like a clear pink. I need to see the color it's in. But for my lip combos, I already been into just like brown liner and like a pretty lip gloss, whether it's nude or like a nude pink. That's my favorite go-to colors. But yeah, set my face again with my Cover FX spray. Spray my face again with my Mario Badescu spray. Y'all, I'm a real extra person. Like, I spray my face a lot. I do a lot. I do a lot. But yeah. And I'm gonna be back with the finished look. I'm gonna go get dressed, hurry up and do everything so I could just hurry up and get out. But yeah, be right back. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Bad B with no falsies. Don't play with her. Anyway, so yeah, y'all, this is really me. Like, this really the look that I'll be going. This is my signature, you feel me? Like, this bronze glowing beat down face, skin giving. This is it. Like, this is what y'all we need to try to do. Like, but yeah, I'm being real extra because I need to go. I'm doing a lot. But yeah, so yeah, if you like this look and you like this tutorial, you found it helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time on my next video, which means turn on your bell notifications so you can get the notification when I post again. And yeah, see y'all next time.